Hi guys, today we're going to install sequential LED turn signal light in 2020 Toyota Corolla from CarTrimHome. This is the new light on the top and this is the OEM. We already installed one side and let's see how it looks. This is our new sequential LED and this is our OEM light bulb. The difference between the new sequential LED and the old one is the fact that the new one has LEDs in the whole lamp, where in the OEM it only has one LED element in the corner of the light assembly, and that's it. The installation makes a huge difference. I'll show you how it looks. So currently this is what we see from the front of the vehicle. We can still clearly see the new sequential light. But when we move to this side of the vehicle, I can't see it at all. Only when I come to the side of the Corolla, I can see the light in the OEM bulb. And this is very critical for visibility of your vehicle. Right now we'll show you the full installation process, and if you like this light, I'll leave the link in the description. There are 4 hooks on the mirror base and there are 4 clips on the glass assembly. The next step is to remove this black connector. Remember its position before you remove it. This is how it looks. After we removed the glass, we can now see white pins. There is one right here, second one, third one, and the fourth one, and the white guide pin in the middle. First we will remove the white piece and then we'll proceed to the black one. As for the black, there are also a couple of pins. There is one here and one on this side that we can see right now. So we'll try to pry with the yellow trim removal tool, at the same time trying to release our clips.
So now you can see this and this clip are already released. So one more here, and this is another one on this side. There's one and second one on the black side as well.
We we managed to remove the white piece, and besides the clips that we showed you, I believe it was this one and this one, there are also 1, 2, 3, 4 hook clips or pins that were holding the cover in place, and some of them had to be removed from inside, from underneath this cover, specifically these two.
So one pin is here. So it was one here, the second one underneath, and third one over there. One, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5.
To remove this black cover, you have to kind of press and release these pins one by one, and at the same time you have to pull the cover away from the mirror. And this is our OEM turn signal light. As you can see, it's been held on 2 pins and the wire goes inside the vehicle. And this is our new sequential LED light. As you can see, it's lightly tinted, it's a little bit darker, and I can already tell it's gonna look much better.
So this is wire routing, and this is connector. So before we install everything back, we have to check polarity first.
Alright.
So guys, you have to remember that if you change polarity like that, it will not work. So before final assembly, you have to check for polarity.
Now we're ready to put everything back together. Now, because we have this added wire now, we decided to put it somewhere in this area. This way it won't affect the black cover installation. And the glass goes back. First the connector, and then align the bottom of the glass to the base. And simply push it in